No matter what genre we like, spy movies have a special seat reserved for them. We low-key live for the thrill and adventure that spies encounter on their mission, from close saves to delivering the message just in the nick of time. Spy movies envelop us in their suspenseful tale. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Aman's Review. Today I'm going to talk about some of the best spy movies on Amazon Prime Video, Netflix and Disney Plus Hotstar ever made. Number 6. Zero Dark 30. Celebrated as one of the most intelligent spy movies of all time, Zero Dark 30 is our top recommendation from the list. It's primarily focused on the CIA as they went on to the hunt for Osama bin Laden. Along with action, suspense, thriller, the staples, the movie also packed the truth of torture, bombing and Al-Qaeda for public viewing. Directed by Catherine Bigelow, this is another movie on the list that took home an Oscar. You can watch Zero Dark 30 on Netflix. Number 5. Argo. Argo is probably the one that will stand out in the list of spy movies. Based on a true story, the movie surrounds a film crew who had to help American hostages get out of Tehran. Even though a little low in action, the film packs a punch in terms of suspense and thrill. The movie stars Ben Affleck and Bryan Cranston in important roles and won the Oscar for the best movie back in 2012 too. You can watch Argo on Netflix. Number 4. The Bourne Identity. The plot of this movie is that a man with a bullet-ridden body is found and looked after by a stranger. He wakes up with a blank memory and begins a journey to learn his identity. Unaware that the road ahead is full of danger. Since you are at it, I suggest you to watch the entire Bourne franchise because it has been a strong action inspiration for James Bond and even Batman films over the past few years. You can watch The Bourne Identity and the entire franchise on Netflix. Number 3. Mission Impossible Fallout. While it is extremely common to see the stunt double jump on the helicopter's landing gear, hang out for a bit and then find his way in, Cruise did the stunt in his movie himself. In fact, he jumped out of the helicopter almost 106 times to get the perfect shot. And it is these action sequences that often makes us forget that Cruise actually plays a spy in this movie. The plot of this movie is that a group of terrorists plans to detonate 3 plutonium cores for a simultaneously nuclear attack on different cities. Ethan Hunt, along with his IMF team, sets out to stop the carnage. Since you are at it, might as well binge on the entire franchise. You can watch Mission Impossible Fallout in Amazon Prime Video. Number 2. Kingsman: The Secret Services. Kingsman: The Secret Service is probably the one movie that comes to your mind when someone says spy movies. It is an entire organization that works on hiring spies. The movie has some of the craziest gadgets we have seen in science fiction movies. The main purpose of Aegis as Taron Egerton's mission is to look for Richard Valentine as Samuel L. Jackson, an eco-terrorist. But the movie is well spiced up with other parallelly running dramatic additions too. You can watch this movie on Disney Plus Hotstar. Number 1. The Tourist. Number 2. The Tourist, starring Johnny Depp as Frank, Angelina Jolie as Elise. The Tourist is an action thriller that will engage you till the very last shot. Just like every other film, this one too follows a series of paths the story takes as it develops. Elise is on the run from the police who wants to catch her and her husband, who has supposedly undergone plastic surgery. She deliberately crosses paths with Frank, an Italian tourist. Then on there's action, adventure, drama and a little twist in the tale. You can watch The Tourist on Netflix. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.